What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I have another unboxing for you guys. I mentioned in my last unboxing video that I had another pair of boots that I wanted to unbox. Well, today is that day. So the boots that I'm going to unbox are called the Doc Martens Combs boots, I believe. And I got these in a white. They do come in other colors, but I felt like the white was just perfect. So guys, I am just gonna show you guys the box. It's a little beat up, I'm not gonna lie. I've had this for like what, a month now. It's similar to the last box, so nothing new. The details are somewhere around here. The details are right here, and then it just has the Doc Martens on the front and the sides as well. Now, I've worn these boots once already, and I'm not gonna lie, they're actually really comfortable. But let's just get into it, and then I'll talk about, oh my god, I took the paper out. Well, yeah, so it's not necessarily how it comes, like there was like white paper and stuff like that, but as I said, I wore it before and I think I threw out the paper. So this is what it looks like, and I'm just gonna take out one for you guys to actually see. It might be a little smudged because, you know, I did wear it, just letting you guys know. But this is basically how it looks, and let me just oh, the bottoms are a little dirty, so sorry. These boots were actually really comfortable when I wore them. I did get the size 8 in them as well, and I feel like there's a little more wiggle room with these compared to the Jaden boots. So these I actually could wear thick socks with, but the Jaden boots I couldn't. I just like the fact that they were like all white, and they just, it stood out to me because they were boots, but they also come off as, I don't know how to explain, like they're almost like sneakers and boots at the same time. So it's almost like that weird combination that works, if you guys get what I mean. And the material, it's not necessarily leather. I think it's like a mixture of leather and something else. But for me, I actually didn't have no problems, no issues, no nothing. So I think these boots would be really good for like an everyday wear. I've never been a fan of like white boots. Like I just feel like it's different. So I felt like for me, this would be my all white type of white boot. I guess I have to work my way into that, but the ones that I've seen, I don't really see myself pulling off. So I got something that was really my style or my speed, and this is what I saw, and I just loved it. The heel is not as thick as the last one. The last one, the heel was like 2 inches. This one, it probably is like an inch, you know, 1.5 inches on the back maybe, but like 1 inch on the front. And I feel like this is probably good for like even right now where it's winter time. It's giving me that all year round type of vibe. Yeah, so yeah. Yeah, so it just has laces in the front where you just lace them. It's easy to slip your foot in. I have no complaints there, and the shoe actually doesn't squeeze, and I think that's really perfect because especially if you want it to be like an all year type of shoe, it has to be comfortable. So something you wear in the summer, something you wear in winter, fall, spring, it has to be comfortable, and it actually is. And I'm actually surprised of how comfortable it is, and I just appreciate it because not a lot of boots do that. And I just appreciate the fact that this boot took its time to just make sure it's comfortable. And also, one issue that I did find was that it already started to crease. I don't know if you guys could see that. Well, oh my god, guys, don't look at my nails. I've had a really bad week with these nails. I had to cut them, I had to peel them off, and so my nails are in the worst condition, like the worst condition you could think of. My nails are in, so I don't need you guys judging me right now, but I literally forgot that they were bad, and I'm just looking at the camera right now and I'm like, no. But yeah, enough of the rambling, back to the boots. So yeah, for me, I really like these boots. They're really light, they're really sturdy. The only issue is that it started to crease, and I was really hoping that it wouldn't, especially this quick, but it has this like weird lump in the front now. So guys, just be on the lookout for that. You know, if you can prevent it, try, I guess. I'm not sure if it's because the boot is a little big on my feet. Like maybe I should have got, I don't think I could have got a 7. No, I don't think I could have got a 7, but I don't know, because sometimes boots do that. When it's like a little loose, it starts to give you like a little, I don't know if you guys get it, but it's a little lump, like a little loose lump or whatever. But yeah guys, so these are the boots, and you know, the bottom has the Doc Martens cross, the inside has the Doc Martens name, the front here has the Doc Martens logo as well. And yeah, that's just basically it. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you liked it. I hope you guys got all the information that you guys needed from this video. And yeah guys, until next time, bye.